As you can see, this is my available balance. Are you interested to earn amount like this, or even to earn amount like this, or even as well as, okay, follow me, let me show you how I make this amount
Okay,
of
are you
money.
tired of working or searching for remote jobs that pays you in dollars? Are you tired of searching for that jobs that you can work remotely online? Now I want to introduce you to an website. That website helps you to earn in dollar. It can also help you to earn in naira. If you are from Nigeria, this app is for you. It's not an app anyway, it's a website. It is for you. You can use it to earn in as much as any amount you want, and you can withdraw your money freely Nigeria bank account or into your dollar account if you choose to earn.
So when you come to the site, they will, if you are registering for the first time as a new person, we are going to see where you are going to fill your details and everything. But for me, I'm not new, so I have to put my details, and then my password is already here, and then I click on login. Then as soon as I log in, it's going straight to my dashboard. So you see how it's being done. So this is my dashboard, and if you look straight, like, there are so many things to do here. Like when you go to a normal, okay, let's go to normal dashboard. You are going to see the everything that is involved, the amount of money that I have. They say your account has been verified. Welcome to FREEBYZ. Learn how to work and submit tax and earn here. So you earn 7,000 naira every day on each viral video you make about FREEBYZ. Do you get it? Any video you make about them, you are earning 7,000 naira. Okay, and then you simply tag them on online at FREEBYZ jobs, and then submit your viral videos. The minimum view is going to be 1,000 naira, 1,000 views, sorry. And then when you go down to this place, it say users in Nigeria can complete tasks below 20 naira without paying verification fee. Okay, so in this place, all you have to do here is just to do so many. Even they have to this place before you be verified. So the available jobs here is just for you to just scroll down to this place. You will see first we have Panky. Monetize your post on Panky and earn up to $500 daily if you're interested in Panky. And then we have Wella Health. Okay, but where I want you to be interested is in this tax. Look at so many tax. You have like this one, when you do the tax, you are earning 120 naira if only you registered in naira. Okay, this one said make a video with my song on TikTok. You are earning 15 naira, and you see people that have completed that of 90 workers needed. 89 have already completed. Join and participate stomach airdrop and earn 120 naira. Like and comment on YouTube and earn 12 naira. Okay, just go down. You have Instagram Reels job, which is 55 naira. And then we have join blockchain airdrop with my link and earn 120 naira. So there are so many of the, you could look at this one, sign up on Con Cola exchange and get $2 bonus, and then you are earning 200 naira. Despite signing up and getting $2 bonus, you're also earning 200 naira from this particular FREEBYZ. So there are so many jobs. All these are unlimited jobs. As you are seeing them, they are unlimited jobs. So this is that are earning in those that are registered in naira. Okay, and then if you in dollar, if you register in dollar, let's, maybe for example, you don't want jobs, you want a particular set of, you come at a particular set of job. Then if you register in dollar, of course you are going to see the available jobs in dollar, and then you are going to see also see the amount that they are in